Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artorai.com. I've been looking at these, or I've seen quite a few of these over the past few weeks. A pinwheel design. And they always looked so easy, so I thought I would give it a go. But of course, me being me, I had about 5 attempts before I managed to get one right. All I will say, measurements are very important. Just leave it at that. I don't want to go into any more detail. But this is the basic design. I've seen some absolutely beautiful designs using pattern paper and just really nice. But this is just to show you how to do the basic design and what you need and how to put it all together. Whatever else you want to do with it after that, of course, is entirely up to you. So this is just on a card base. I've got the pinwheel design there, stamped a sentiment, and just put a few little decorations on. That's it, nothing spectacular, but here's how it's done. Where's my bit of paper? Right, so first of all you need the card base. What I didn't do with the first one was put on a panel like that, like a layering panel and that, so I'm going to do that as well, but I'll do that in a bit. So this is in like American A2 size, 5.5 by 4.25, and this is 1/4 of an inch smaller on both sides than that. First of all, we need 2 pieces of card at 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. You can have all different colours in your pinwheel if you want, just do what makes you happy. But you need 4 pieces of each design at 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 inches. These are all in inches, not centimetres, because I don't do centimetres, I'm old. So what I did was put them through an embossing folder just to give it a little bit of interest. It's just a dotty one that I have. I don't know if you can see that, it's quite nice. So put those to one side, and we need to make kind of a diamond shape. So if you have a grid mat, or if you have some grid paper, just put it down so it sort of matches at all sides, top and bottom, just so you've got your basic diamond design. And then the next piece, ignore that, is going to go on as accurately as possible, so it's the same distance all the way around. I'm going to have to stand up to do this, I think. Whoops. I shouldn't have put that all the way over there, but never mind. Right, I'm going to get that as straight as possible. Should have put it on my silicone mat because I've put glue all over the place, and I should have just put it in the middle. But that's basically what you do. That's the basic design. Just get it as accurate as you can. There are tutorials out there that show you how to get it very accurate. I mean, it was never going to be like that for me, is it? So just dub that up there. Right, now to start putting on your designs, you need to alternate each one. So I'll start with the white. Now for your very first one, I'm just going to put a little bit in the corner because that's going to go there. I'm just going to have a little bit of a border all the way around, and when you get round to this side, you're going to have to be able to lift up this square like that to get the last piece under. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a bit in the corner for now. You can always fix it on properly when we get to it at the end. So I'm just going to have a little bit of a border showing. This one. and then just keep going round until you've got all of the bits on, until you get to the end. Right, so we've come to the last piece now, and you'll notice when you get to the end these two are kind of parallel to each other, which is what we wanted. So this one would need to be able to lift that up so we can slide that under there like that. It's a little bit tricky, but I'm going to give it a go. There we go, and then we can just put some more on there. Just a tiny little border all the way around. So that is your pinwheel design, and that is going to go on there like that, or you can just put it straight on there like that. It just depends. I mean, you could even have, this could be any colour that you want. You could even mix it up a little bit. I'm not sure which you prefer. I mean, now I've looked at that, I don't really like that. But that's what I said I was going to do, so I'll do it for now. So you can put your matte layer on, and you can put this on. You can, in fact, to make it stand out a bit, I think I'll put that up on foam, just to give it a bit of oomph. I forgot I had these actually. 2mm thick white foam pads from Creative Craft Products. I'll give those a try. No, I'm just going to leave that. I'm going to end up making a right mess of it. Hang on, I can cut that diagonally, can't I? And then that should go on. That's better. Okay. Make sure this is the right way up. Take all of these off. You have to think as well, when you're putting them through the post, they could get a bit squashed if there's no foam on all of them. I mean, that doesn't look too bad, does it? It looks okay, and I quite like it lifted up a bit like that. So all that's left to do now is the sentiment. And while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to put some gems on. I'm not sure what kind yet. And there we go, just a very simple pinwheel design card. So there you go, 2 pinwheel designs, just with different patterns made in slightly different way. It's not difficult. And as you can see there are tiny little gaps there. If I'd made these borders slightly larger, it would have pushed these pieces slightly closer together and you wouldn't have had those gaps. But that's how easy it is. It's not difficult as long as you get the measurements right. But there are plenty of different pinwheel designs you can make. There are different ways you can do it. So there is another one that I would like to do at a later date. I just wanted to get this up while I could, because I am due for a video. It's been a while since I've been able to do one. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day. Bye bye now.